Alright, I got a new fucking knife to open up here for Christmas Day. Made in China. Yep. I got two of my other kind of knives here. I like two Balisongs. Got my first knife right here. Black handle, obviously. Mirror finish. Little bit of wear and tear, but you know, still great. I got this knife like about a month ago. Stainless steel blade. Really sharp. But has flaws with it, obviously. Not professional. No latch gate. And about 35 bucks for this one, so you know, not too bad. It's lasted. Now let's see what we got here. Shut up, bitch. It's another Balisong. That's pretty great. Good to get something like that for Christmas. Alright. Plastic latch. Yeah. Stainless steel blade. Mirror finish. That does look nice though. And the edge is pretty sharp. Fair amount of play. Yeah. Not bad. These are all pretty good, like, first starter knives. Do recommend one like this if you can ever find one. I actually was lucky enough to get one at the mall. Get these two both actually at the mall. Because no edge on it, but great to practice with, learn new tricks, whatever. Made the unfortunate mistake of messing around with this when I was dark and drunk. Woo! See, I'm fucked up right now, so I shouldn't do that. But yeah, there's that little bit of blood right there from when I cut myself. That's pretty nice. It's whatever, you know, old memento. But yeah, pretty good knife, yeah. Alright, Merry Christmas everyone, and get the fucked up, hell yeah.